Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something totally unexpected. The buy now, pay later giant Klarna is getting into the phone business. Yes, you heard that right. They've just launched an unlimited 5G plan in the United States running on the AT&T network for just $40 a month. Is this a game changer for the wireless industry, or is it just a clever marketing gimmick? Let's dive in and find out. So what exactly is Klarna offering? It's a single, simple plan. Unlimited 5G data, talk and text for a flat $40 per month. No contracts, no activation fees, no cancellation fees. It's all managed through the Klarna app, which is a big part of their pitch. They're leveraging AT&T's network, which gives them nationwide coverage. And the best part? Klarna says there's no data throttling. That means your 5G data stays at 5G speeds, no matter how much you use. They're also using eSIMs for instant activation, so you don't have to wait for a physical SIM card to arrive in the mail. You can even keep your existing number. Now you might be thinking, why on earth is a fintech company getting into telecom? It's a great question. Klarna's research shows that a huge number of Americans find switching phone plans too difficult. They see this as a major pain point and a huge opportunity. Klarna already has over 25 million active users in the United States. They have a massive, pre-existing customer base that trusts their app for payments and budgeting. By offering a phone plan, they can deepen their relationship with these customers and add another layer to their neobank ambitions. It's about building a complete financial ecosystem. Think about it. You can manage your buy now, pay later purchases, your savings, and now your phone bill, all in one app. They're trying to create a super smooth experience, as their CEO puts it, with no hassle and no hidden fees. So let's break down the benefits and potential drawbacks. Pros. Price. $40 for unlimited 5G on a major network is a highly competitive price. It undercuts many of the big carriers' own plans. Simplicity. One plan, one price, managed in the app. No complex tiers or hidden fees. Convenience. The instant eSIM activation and the ability to port your number without a store visit or phone call is a huge win. Network. You get the reliability of AT&T's nationwide 5G network. Cons. Customer support. This is a big question mark. How will customer service work for a phone plan run through a payments app? It's powered by a company called Gigs, but will it be as reliable as a dedicated carrier support team? No physical stores. While convenient for signing up, if you have a complex issue, you can't just walk into a store for help. No international roaming details yet. The initial launch is just for the United States. Klarna has said premium and international plans are coming later, but for now, if you travel a lot, this might not be for you. Conclusion. So what's the verdict? Klarna's entry into the wireless market is definitely interesting. It's a bold move that could put pressure on legacy carriers to simplify their offerings and eliminate hidden fees. For a lot of people, especially existing Klarna users who are tired of their current carrier, this could be a fantastic deal. But like any new service, the real test will be in the execution. Will the coverage be as good as they claim? Will customer service be responsive? What do you think? Would you switch to a Klarna phone plan? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech news, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.